Check this out, everybody. This is extension grabbers. I want to show y'all exactly what you get. I got these in a box, and here's how they came right here. And let's just open them up, because I've always wanted a set of these when I'm cleaning up my yard, and you don't want to bend over every 5 minutes to get a like grab stuff. Check this out. You get a 2-pack here, and you grab them, and it just works like that. There's nothing too fancy about these things, but they just kind of go together like that. And you can have dual-handed of these. Check it out. I left all this stuff right here. So if you just want to walk around, grab stuff, I'll walk over to my garbage can, drop it in there, grab that. I highly recommend these, because if not, look what you're doing. I'm constantly bending over. If I had to pick all this stuff up manually, I'm bending all that over, and I'm getting sick of doing that. So if I just can grab like this, I can walk around the yard. These things work extremely well. I've been nothing but impressed with a set of these. I've actually used a set of these before. They have like a flexible type teeth on them. I mean, like a flexible little grip to them. You can see how it kind of flexes right there. There's a, you know, these can come out and you can change directions like that. And they fold up like that. And these, you want to put them together like that. So I want to go that way. You can change it all around. It's really cool how you can do that. And like I said, these come as a 2-pack. I highly recommend a set of these. You know what? It will save your back over the long haul of having to bend over if you're cleaning up your yard, because I'm getting ready to mow out here and I just want to pick all this stuff up. I can just go like this and put it all in one pile. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the, you know, the extension grabber with trigger with rubberized tip. See you guys in the next video. Woo!